Hello everybody and welcome to Z Soda Sampling. Today, today we've got some Mountain Dew to sample. Yeah, but not one Mountain Dew, no. Not two Mountain Dews, no. Three Mountain Dews to sample, oh yes. Today we're sampling all three of these new Mountain Dew flavors. We've got Star Spangled Splash. We've got Freedom Fusion. And Liberty Chill. Yeah. We will find out if they are any good today. Alright, so first up we're going to try the Star Spangled Splash. Yes, it's supposed to be dew with a blast of red berry flavor and other natural flavors. We will see. Ooh, that smells good. I like that smell. I like it. Kind of reminds me of the Rockstar Fruit Punch a little bit. That smell. It smells good. It smells really good. Huh. That very much just tastes like a red punch. Those berries, I guess I get the strawberry a little bit. If it's just red berries. So it'd be what, strawberry raspberry, maybe? If it's strawberry raspberry, they're like combining to be like this, I don't know. It's not bad. It's yeah, it's not bad. It's very strange. It's not what I expected. It's the berries are blended so well they're hard to distinguish from each other. That's what I would say. It's very hard, which makes it more of just like a red punch, a berry red punch sort of dew, which is interesting. But yeah, not bad. I would definitely drink this again. Definitely. I'd give it I would give it give it an 8. It's not bad. Yeah, give it an 8. Because I don't really, there's nothing really wrong with it per se. So next up, we'll do the Freedom Fusion. Let's see here. This one is supposed to be lemonade and peach flavor. Whoo! Whoo! Oh my. That is a strong lemon smell. Holy. I get a little bit of peach. A little bit. It's in the tail end there. Okay. Huh. So, the peach is there, for sure. It's not super strong, but it is there. The lemonade is not particularly strong either. It's a decent blend. It could be a little bit better, I think. Could have a little bit stronger peach flavor, but yeah, it's decent. I don't hate it. Yeah, that's fine. That works. Aftertaste is a little funky, but yeah, it's not bad. I'd give that a I think I'd give that an 8 as well. I think. They're pretty solid flavors. Pretty solid so far. Okay, so this one, Liberty Chill, says 50 flavors in one dew. Now, they have made a flavor like this before. It was called Liberty Brew, and it was also 50 flavors in one dew. It was all 50 state fruits flavors in one dew, I believe, if I recall correctly. So, this is probably just a rebrand, but we will sample it regardless. Smells like a popsicle. Yeah. I remember that flavor. Yeah, that's pretty much the same flavor. Yeah, they just rebranded it. Okay. It's not a bad flavor. It's all right. Just was expecting something new. Okay. So I would give that I'll give it a 7 because it should have been a new flavor Mountain Dew. What the hell? Should have been a new flavor, not a rebrand. Come on, Mountain Dew. Do better. Do better. No, but no, these are great. These are great. As for my favorites of the three, personally, I don't know if I could pick. They're all pretty solid. It would probably just depend on the day, to be honest. I'd probably lean towards one of these two since they're the new ones. Like if I'm feeling for a punch, I'll grab this one probably, and if I'm feeling for something lighter, probably grab this one. So, yep, that's it. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.